Back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to open File Explorer directory from CMD. So let's get started. Firstly go to start menu. Here you will type CMD or command prompt, then open. Now here we will simply write Explorer, then press enter. Here you will see directly Explorer will open. If you want to open specifically user C, then you can type explorer space dot, then press enter. Here you will see the user will be open. If you want specific any, like I want to open downloads, then we are typing explorer space C colon slash users, then press enter. Here it will be directly user folder will be open. That's how you open File Explorer using command prompt. Quick and simple. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.